Hi guys, are you ready to learn some English? Let's go. Today we have another story, Grandpa's Day at the Zoo. Let's learn English with Grandpa while he enjoys a day at the zoo. One sunny morning, Grandpa decided to visit the zoo. The sun, because it was a sunny morning, and zoo, the zoo. One sunny morning, Grandpa decided to visit the zoo. Grandpa loves animals, so he was so excited to see them. He loves the animals. Grandpa loves animals, so he was so excited to see them. First, he saw the monkeys. Monkey, monkeys, more than one monkey. First, he saw the monkeys. The monkeys jumped and played in the trees. They jumped and played in the trees. The monkeys jumped and played in the trees. Monkeys are so cute and funny, Grandpa said with a smile. Grandpa said, monkeys are so cute and funny. Next, he went to the elephants. Elephant, elephants, more than one elephant. Next, he went to the elephants. The big elephants moved slowly, slow, like a turtle goes slow. Fast is like a bunny, where they go fast, but the elephants moved slowly. The big elephants moved slowly. One elephant lifted its trunk and sprayed water. It lifted its trunk, its nose, and sprayed water. One elephant lifted its trunk and sprayed water. Oh no, I don't want to get wet, Grandpa said while stepping back. Grandpa said, oh no, I don't want to get wet. Then he saw the lions. Lion, lions, more than one lion. Then he saw the lions. The lions were sleepy. One lion yawned. Sleepy? They're sleepy? And one of them yawned. Yawn. The lions were sleepy. One lion yawned. I think he is tired. Maybe he had a big lunch, Grandpa joked. Grandpa said, I think he is tired. Maybe he had a big lunch, for a joke. After that, he visited the penguins. Penguin. Penguins. More than one penguin. After that, he visited the penguins. The penguins walked in a line. They walked in a line. The penguins walked in a line. One penguin slipped on the ice. One penguin slipped on the ice. Slipped on the ice. One penguin slipped on the ice. Oops, said Grandpa. That looks like me when I walk in the snow. Grandpa said, oops, that looks like me when I walk in the snow. Finally, he went to the gift shop. Grandpa bought himself a small toy monkey. The toy monkey. Grandpa bought himself a small toy monkey. Now I have a monkey to take home, he said. Grandpa said, now I have a monkey to take home. Grandpa had a fun day at the zoo. He can't wait until he can go again.